Hello. Mm. So, what we're going to do today is implement conditional jumps, and yeah, that's gonna be it. It's gonna take a good bit. Well, a good bit. It's just gonna be some debugging. If we can, I would like to implement Python support. So that means you could code something in Python, and yeah, it can just, return stuff and all. You can just use it in your you can use it in your things. So first, let's do conditional jumps. V equals jump. It's not conditional, yeah, but you get it, So after this, we're gonna take a string that we can, next title, next value equals let's code I plus 1. If nt not equal string, then print syntactically wrong as return. And now we know what to string. Value is just going to be a string too. So you know the drill. And so do I. I only know what to string. Let me just copy that. Temp equal next value. Sorry for not talking. I think you would like it if you can actually stand me doing this. I'm just gonna strip it, and then we gotta get I equal labels temp. Of course, if it's a label, we just pass. So now let's say print by, and we need to put jump up here. Jump label. Clear. That's good. Define count. It's gonna do 0. Define 1. So now we have finder stuff. Print C and C1. That should work. There, we got a script that counts in like the 64-bit integer limit if you're following this on a modern machine. If you're doing this on a 32-bit machine, you really need to upgrade. Now we need to add compare. v equal compare. This is not gonna be a very yeet plus way of doing it. But I just want this to be a single thing, you know, you just run it and boom, you're done. So what I'm gonna do is that we're just gonna next value equal op1 next value equal op2. So now you're gonna have to put these two variables and they like to define op1 define op1 5 op2 op1 whatever. Okay, now we have to put some flags up here. Flags. Greater than equal false. Less than equal false. Not equal false. Equal false. I spent so long on stupid shit. Down here. If, and then we got var1 is just going to be equal to vars op1 nv, and var2 is going to be vars and nv. If nv in vars and nv in vars, else we just don't process it, I guess. You can just ignore it. I don't want to read 200 film per program just for this. Now, if, oh yeah, make sure it floats too. Just good practice, you know, just a good thing to do. Float. So another two, now both of them are floats. If v1 is greater than v2, then greater than equal true, not equal true, equal false, less than equal false, if, so that means it's not that v1 is less than v2, greater than, so now we're going to do greater than equal false, not equal false, equal false, actually they are not equal, true, less than equal true. Finally, if v1 equals v2, it's going to be the same as before, but not actually, there's nothing really similar. equal true. So I'm wondering, what are these for? But you know, if you go up here, they're linked. Right now, this compare is doing nothing. Else. Print error and no value in op1 and op2 return. Yeah, this is a bit different from eat++'s one. Make sure you don't put any strings in there. God knows what will happen. Oh. Try accept the value error. Number is gonna do the same thing, but no float. That should be good enough. Got that. Now that's good, I think. Define op1 5, define op2 op1, compare EOF. Is compare a keyword? No. Oh, we're only like 12 minutes in. And we're just adding compare. And we just had a jump compare. To see if it works. At the end of every execution, I'm gonna print greater than F string, of course, because they're better. Greater than, less than, not equal, EQ, not equal, less than, greater than. Now let's see if this works. Yep, it does. I'm just gonna comment this code out. We might want it for debugging. And we're already 200, like we're already freaking massive. Okay. Elif v equal less jump. And now we're just going to do a load of copying and pasting. If that's what you want to hear. If greater than, or if less than. Now that's just going to be the basic thing of it. So now if we do a lay, and we do less jump, LJ, LJ label. Oh. Print. We passed. Let's say op 1 was 1. Oh yeah. And for normal jump, you actually just don't put that because you're always gonna jump. You jump there. Oh yeah. I mean, oh, we didn't. And the fine. So now, if we don't pass, now we got to add up 1. Up 1, up 1, 1. Oh, well, it's pretty obvious why that didn't work. Oh no. So here's a simple program, I guess. So we're just gonna take them in. For now, that's just gonna be simple there. We're gonna do a lot of copy and pasting now. So it's greater jump. I'm just gonna put them here. Not equal jump and GJ then, if he's there, that's good. I spelled it correctly. Equal jump, and we're just going to use equal. So let's make a simple program. So we know we're going to make a label. So let's say not equal print not equal not EOF equal prints equal. Why didn't we just get EOF again? It did just hang forever and never break. And now we get input up 1 0, because these are numbers, gang. And up 2 then we compare, and then not equal jump equal. But if we got past that, we're going to do an equal jump. We're just going to be equal EQ five and 8. 5 and 5, and yeah, that's it. Since we got jumps, I have an idea for something. It's going to be called pyfunk. So like it's gonna be like pyfunk hello when it'll take up 1 and 2 for its inputs. Pyfunk, so that's in Pyfunk's gonna do. We're gonna read from a file with wait, no, it's gonna be more like port hello.py. Then we're just gonna do pyfunk. So wait. No, there's going to be no ops. It's going to be like this. Okay, so it's just going to be able to give us helper functions and all. So we can so we don't have to write code in Python all the time. Oh, that's going to be really hard if you want to make a language. That'd be hellish. So Python could help in allow us to do stuff with like prompt to get and whatever. First import. How would that work? So hear me out. It just slaps it in a string. The entire file in a string. I know, amazing. Import string. Import str equals nothing. So we just slap the file into a string. Python and then like hello py. Import hello dot py. And it'll be python hello dot py. Yeah. So import will just read file, which I think we have read file, don't we? There's I think we made a oh yeah, read file. It's gonna return the file contents. Why do I have two not? Yo, did I fall asleep or something? Not equal jump. It's gonna be equal jump. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Test 2. Test. Dot. My language file is going to be define op1, input op1, input op1 0. EQJ not equal jump. E is going to have an EOF. EOF print equal and we're gonna be doing me. Now I'm actually going to see if our code works. If it's equal, yeah, compare. Otherwise, nothing would fire. Equal jump E. Not equal jump. Not equal. Let's see if this actually works. Uh, 193. Why did I not use -1. 10. And if we do there. Well, let's get back to the importing junk. Import string. Let's add import to our keywords. Hang, quite the library, aren't we? Import. If everything. EV equal import. Okay, I spelled it right. Import. Wait, I'm sorry. This is silly. What? Import string. Moving up and down and my you really do go insane when all you've been doing this day is just temping all over again. Dun, dun, temping all over again. Now, import string is equal to read file. Now we got temp. Someone is probably just gonna run this. Aren't they? Luckily, since we're down here, we can just print input import str import string and then hello.py, make that print hello world. No, this died, you know what? Wait, I'm gonna copy that. War. Oh, yeah, I equals I plus 1. That's good. Now I have to actually run it. This code. Python. You actually don't need anything. I can just do Python on its own. Okay, so what that's gonna do is it's gonna execute whatever is in that. I got it. Python first. We have to put Python in the keywords. Python. Python funk. Python. Let's find that. Now, elif equal Python. Execute. We can just execute in PR. Everything in that. And then we can just continue with the day thing. There! We got Python importing. Done. Now if we want to do something like counting to 1000, we can always just do a while true, like just do infinite counting. C equals 0. C equals C plus 1. Print C. Let's rename this to loop.py. We can just, and then in HTML we can do loop.py, and in Python and it's gonna loop. Hello. I hope you like this new type of outro. And yeah, bye-bye, I guess. We'll probably do a bit more work on the Python system. I don't know what to actually add next. But I'll see you later, alligators.